my channel, it's your girl Rhea Play. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my voice sound different from my regular voice using iMovie. So right now, I'm going to teach y'all how to make the voice I'm using right now in this video. So first of all, where you go to is iMovie. I already picked a movie for the one I'm going to edit. So this is a regular sound. So don't worry about the what did I say? The down thingy, the error, you know, those dangerous sound thingy. So yeah, I'm gonna touch the video, and then there's the cutting thing in the time. You touch the time, and you can speed it how much you want. Okay, it's still regular. So see, now it's sounding different. So that's how you do it, and y'all, I apologize for not posting a lot, and I'm sorry for the background, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give